Hey guys, it's River. So I did a trade with my best friend, I shall know, and let's see what he got for me. So I'm gonna look, so y'all can look first. Is that the dumpling? It's Pokemon cards! Oh my god. I think the dumpling broke because that's like dumpling thingy. Guys, look at these. They're so cool. Wait, how did she get them? I really wanted this one because it's like so rare, I think. I don't know for sure, but I just know it's rare. So, thank you, Nikki. I love you. Some headphones, I guess, for my mask because that's expensive. Okay, so I'm gonna look. Okay, I hope it's a glitter, maybe blue or something, or pink. Let's all look first. It's a glitter. Oh, I think it popped while I was carrying the box, I guess. I want to feel it. I guess pouring all the gore in. No, I got it. Sorry guys, I normally don't break stuff, but this one is already broken. Wait, shit. No, it only got in my pants. Sorry for the cussing, guys. I guess while it popped, I made some gooey thingy. Why is it warm? Hey, yo! Let me just get something to clean off. This will do. Okay, I knew it that the thingy was popping because I already saw like some gooey thingy on the thing. And lastly, we got some $50. I mean 50 cents. So you know, I have to do. Let's make some gooey slime. So wait, I think I have like scissors. Wait, let me just look. Let's cut open the dumpling. Let's see. Sorry. Oh my god, it looks so gooey. Ugh. Does it look like something? The goo? Where I don't know of the name of it right now. Oh my god. Ew. Look at it, it's empty. Let me just cut the dumpling more so we can get all that stuff. Oh, excuse me. I have bad luck today, guys. Ugh, that's so gooey. No, stop. Stop leaking. Oh, my pants are glittery. And my toes. Sorry guys, I'm so focused of it right now. It feels so... What the fuck? There's literally a glitter piece in it. What is this gooey stuff, bro? my best friend's dumpling, there's like sand in it and stuff. I mean, it's so gooey. Sorry guys, I can't edit the video because like it gives more storage than I thought. So I'm gonna be editing for like a year or when I get the new phone. Because I really want a better phone right now. And I'm also buying a mic so y'all can hear me clear. I feel like I'm the gooey expert. Wait, what if we, wait a second guys. Oh. Let's add a little bit of some tacky glue. Making a whole new subject. Ejection. I think.